Today, guys, I have a FabFitFun box for you. I used to get this box seasonally a few years back. I stopped because I just wasn't interested in it anymore. So I decided I would start back, see if it gave me a little bit of interest. I've been starting some more of these subscription boxes and it's gotten me hooked on some other ones. So there are two ways you can do this. You can do it annually, so you'll pay a little bit less for these boxes, but then you'll get your 4, and then you have an earlier time where you can customize what you want in the box. So I decided to just go ahead and start back for the summer 2024 box. And so I'm seasonal. I just wanted to try it out, see if I wanted to cancel it or if I wanted to continue with it or not. And it has been so long since I customized this. I feel like it's been 6 or 7 weeks since I actually went in and did my customization. So I actually don't know what's in this box. I have forgotten what I picked out for the customization. And I've been seeing people putting out their boxes and things, and I don't know why mine took forever to get. But here I finally have it, and I'm gonna share with you what is inside my summer 2024 FabFitFun box. So this is going to kind of be like a surprise for me because, again, I have forgotten what I customized in this. So this is what you're going to see when you open it up. And then let's just get into it. So it has a fun game where you can win a Bottega Veneta Jody Hobo bag. So more than 1,000 prizes and 1 grand prize for this. So you can enter to win this somehow. And then you've got something from HelloFresh. Now, let me go ahead and see what I have in here. So these are some Wonder Belly antacid fruity cereal flavor. I'm assuming this is just a little extra because I certainly didn't pick anything like this out. And then let's get into the goodies in here. So the first thing that I see is the Bondi Boost Rapid Repair Serum. It's supposed to improve split ends by 86% after 1 use, when used as a system with the Rapid Repair Conditioner and Shampoo. So you apply 1 to 2 pumps to dry or towel dried hair, concentrating on mid-length to ends. So this is kind of supposed to help with split ends. So this is from the Bondi Boost. And then there are some eye masks from Topicals, the Brightening and Clearing Eye Masks. And it says that it brightens, hydrates, and depuffs. Use under the eye for 15 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week. So I'm sure that there's only enough for, well, there's 6 pairs. So there's 6 pairs. I can do this 6 different times. So that's really nice. I love these under eye patches, and so I thought I would try some new ones. All right, and next up is this little packet. So I'm assuming that I got some kind of jewelry. Again, I cannot remember what I picked out. It's been so long. Okay, so here is probably a necklace. Does it say? It's the Coco Lariat. So yeah, a necklace. It's in gold. And I'll just put this on and we will see what this looks like. Oh, this is really pretty. It's got some pearl on here. Really cute. Let me put this on. I didn't realize I would be trying jewelry on, or I would have worn a different shirt probably. So this is really nice. I like how it hangs down. It's got these 3 little pearls and this dainty gold chain. So really nice. It's always fun to customize boxes and things like that, but then it's also fun to get surprises. So here I got the best of both worlds. I got to customize it, but then I forgot about it because it's been so long since I customized it that it's like a surprise again. So here is something really cute and fun looking in this pink. It is Beach Riot Travel Duo. Oh, cool. This has, so let me just open this up. Okay, so here are some travel pouches, and this is made out of, it almost feels like a corduroy or a chenille material. I love this bright pink, and it does have a handle if you want to carry it by the handle. And then it's going to open completely flat. I like that it's clear right here. And then you have the smaller one that zips around, and it's completely clear. I like this. This will be good in travel bags, beach bags, tote bags, anything. I love clear so that I can see what's inside. And this is really soft, and I love this color. This is a really pretty color. It's got some gold zipper pulls on here, so really nice. And then next up is Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner for all skins. 20% vitamin C, brightens, retextures, and firms. So it's clinically tested to decrease the look of fine lines and wrinkles and improve firm skin tone. So here it is. It is in a 1 fluid ounce. So I'm excited to start trying new things. I've not heard of this brand, so always interested in new things. And then it looks like there's one more thing in here, It is from Thrive Cosmetics, and it is the Hydrating Lip Tint in the color Cara, which is a muted rose. I have never tried Thrive Cosmetics. Really pretty, and that's a pretty color. Okay, so it's kind of sheer, but then it has that rosy undertone, if you can see that. So that'll be really pretty if I'm deciding that I just don't want to wear any lipstick. I'll just put that on. It says it's 24-hour moisture lock complex. It will enhance your natural lip color. All right, so I'm excited to try all of this stuff from the box. So again, it had been a while since I had tried one of the FabFitFun boxes, and I just saw an advertisement for it, and I thought, let me just try it again for another season. So I thought I had some good stuff. Let me know what you liked out of this box, and did you get FabFitFun? And if so, did you get any of these same things that I got? Oh, I love this necklace, you guys. I think this is a really nice necklace. I can't wait to start wearing it. This is probably one of my favorite things that came out of this box is this necklace. I love the pearl accents, but it's real dainty and it's not in your face, so it looks very elegant looking, and you can still wear it for an everyday because it's not so in your face and a statement piece. So I really like this necklace. Besides the necklace, I think these are super fun. I'm always traveling and I'm always getting new pouches and things like that. So this is really good. This would be cute for a beach bag too. Just put it in a beach bag and just have this really fun color for summertime. I love the feel of this. This is super soft. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.